has a bold vision for the future and has always looked beyond what's on the road to lead the charge towards energizing innovations into alternative fuels. Today, we're going to learn all about their hybrid line of vehicles, and to tell me all about it is Lexus product specialist Lisa Park. Lisa, good to see you.
Hi, Debbie. Thanks so much for having me.
And thank you for bringing all these amazing vehicles here today.
It's my pleasure.
So, Lexus introduced the first luxury hybrid over 10 years ago. So, what was behind Lexus's vision then?
Our vision was to be an everyday luxury vehicle that was energy efficient. That was what drove us from the beginning, and it's what drives us now.
You know, I think a common misconception with hybrid vehicles is that they have to be plugged in and that they're going to run out of energy. So how does Lexus address that?
Our hybrid system charges through regenerative braking. So it actually captures the energy that would have been lost during braking. So our hybrids are always charged, they're always ready, and there's no need for a plug.
So which one is this?
This is the Lexus RX 450 HL. So new for 2018 is going to be the third row option. So now up to 6 passengers in the hybrid.
That new car smell. Well, they were right when they said luxury.
Now, it's actually on already. I know it's very quiet.
It is so quiet.
When you start up a hybrid vehicle, if you're not aware, it actually starts using the electronic battery. And there you hear
it just sounds like it was off, yeah.
You hear the combustion engine engage shortly after. This is a 3.5-liter V6 engine, giving you a combined system horsepower of 308.
And it's nice to hear that about an SUV, because some people think, oh, it doesn't have that get up and go, but you're saying it does.
It does.
So you get the power and the luxury in one car.
So this is our #1 selling sedan. It's the ES300H. It has the best rear seat legroom in its class, and it averages 40 miles per gallon.
Wow, okay.
But what we're really here to talk about today is the 2018 Lexus LS500H. This is our flagship sedan. It's been redesigned completely from the ground up.
Oh wow, look at the sides. This is the first thing I noticed. Oh, this is beautiful.
This actually won an Eyes on Design award. So right here is a pleated fabric. It's actually inspired by origami. So this is what won the Eyes on Design award for best interior. Now here we have a 12.3-inch navigation screen.
It's huge.
It's huge.
This is like having a little mini computer in here.
So this is a 3.5-liter V6 with hybrid powertrain, but this has a multi-stage hybrid, so it's a new advanced system. But what's really great about this vehicle is we actually have an available color heads-up display. Now these are a 28-way power seat, but you can actually turn on your shiatsu massagers.
What?
Yes, shiatsu massaging, but not only for you. I actually have it. All 4 outboard seats have it in this vehicle, so you have shiatsu massage from the comfort of your own vehicle.
I could get a massage in my car.
Yes, you can.
Oh my goodness.
While you're driving to school.
Okay, I could sit in here all day, but I know you have other cars to show me, so what are we gonna see next?
Let's go look at the LC500H.
Okay. So the LC, what does the LC stand for?
LC stands for luxury coupe. Do you want to have a seat inside?
Of course they want to have a seat inside. You know the answer is going to be yes to that one. Oh, this is beautiful.
Isn't it great? It actually won an Eyes on Design award when it was first introduced at the North American International Auto Show. So it's positioned as a Grand Touring coupe, so very comfortable for daily driving. 2+2, so we could actually take some passengers with us if we wanted to.
Yeah. Okay. So what's our next car?
Let's go take a look at the GS450H.
All right, let's go do it.
And this is our 5-passenger sports sedan. It's called the GS450H. It's a 3.5-liter V6 coupled with hybrid powertrain, giving you a combined system horsepower of 338, doing 0 to 60 in 5.6 seconds.
I would think this would be a great family car.
It is. It's great for families.
Yeah.
Do you want to go take a look at the NX300H?
Of course I do. Now, is this the newest SUV?
So this technically is not the newest SUV, but this was the newest introduced to the lineup in 2015.
Okay.
So it's a compact crossover. It's called the NX, and it stands for Nimble Crossover, so it's really fun to drive, really great handling, and it averages 33 miles per gallon in the city. And something new for 2018, we did a minor refresh this year, was the addition of the Lexus Safety System Plus. Now that's a system that's standard on all of our 2018 and newer hybrids. So that gives you a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert with lane keep assist, and intelligent high beam, all standard on these models.
So you didn't skimp on safety at all?
No, not at all.
Of course, that's Lexus. But for more information, just visit designingspaces.tv or lexus.com/hybrid. Bye for now.